So many of you might have been wondering why there's several different color foundations. It has a lot to do with the contrast, such as the larvae contrasting with the dark background, and the eggs are easy to identify during inspection. As you can see, the lighter colors would be real easy to see a hive beetle in the lighter colors in the honey super. So it's all about the inspection and the contrast. There is a good example of the eggs against the dark background. So I want to thank you for watching this video, and please hit like and subscribe, and have a great day.